we're going to be doing a sewer line inspection here in the city of Northeast Minneapolis. Property address here is 2915 Polk Street Northeast. Today for the inspection we're using a plastic line access coming off of the stacked sewer pipe down here in the mechanical area of the basement. Line here will begin as a 3-inch plastic pipe which should convert into a 4-inch pipe. Inside sewer pipe 14.9 feet out, we do see an oval opening which could be the front sewer cleanout access, which is going to be hidden underneath ground either through flooring or a removable wood panel or possibly even concreted over. As long as this line's not over 100 feet in length, we can certainly do everything right here from this cleanout access used today. I'm going to continue on with your inspection. Right here in your sewer pipe, roughly 18.9 feet down, we do see where this line will convert from a 4-inch cast iron sewer pipe into a 6-inch clay tile style pipe. Clay is a much smoother surface than your average cast iron, but does have joint connections every 2 feet along the pipeline, which can allow tree roots to naturally grow into your sewer system. So I'm going to go ahead and push on in. We're going to check for evidence of tree roots or any structural issues. Otherwise, we'll be able to give you an idea when this line should be cleaned next as well. Here inside sewer pipe 94.1 feet out, we have reached your city sewer connection. Today, the piping material, other than the small section of plastic in the very beginning, is all original materials. Cast iron underneath the foundation of the home, converting to a clay tile pipe running out in the yard. Today, during the inspection, we did see some slight evidence of tree roots. Nothing that's going to justify a cleaning today or tomorrow, maybe in about a 1-year time frame, but we did see some structural cracking and damage to the pipeline. We're going to show you the number one spot that's the worst amount of damage, which is easily to be seen. We'll go ahead and pull the camera back, show you that spot right now. Here inside sewer pipe 55.9 feet out, this is our biggest area of damage, which actually does protrude into the next section of pipe as well, where there's some cracking damage to this top section of this clay in here. As I pull back, you can see the massive gaps protruding. You can even see where pipe is starting to buckle inward. This is going to need a dig replacement right away. Possible pipe liner, we did see some cracking further down the pipe that's just now starting to move, as well as some minor cracks a little bit further in. So definite replacement here and possible pipe liner running down to protect you on the other spot that's just starting to crack up. But take a look here, upper left corner, upper right corner especially. Inside sewer pipe 54.5 feet, the most concerning thing here is the shape of the sewer pipe. You can literally see it's no longer a circle. There are sections of it bowing out. Here it's performing a kind of almost like an 8 shape based on the fact that it's starting to buckle in on itself. A pipe like this, no one's going to give you a guarantee on how much longer this pipe can last, and it is actually uncleanable in its current state without damaging the sewer pipe. So even the tree roots that we were recommending a cleaning within 1 year, there's no way you could clean out this sewer pipe in its current shape. I'm going to go ahead and continue to pull out. Even here inside sewer pipe 24.8 feet, although this does not look bad, you can see it's just starting to crack here. The pipe's still holding shape currently, but as this crack proceeds and gets worse. So this is why we're going to recommend a sewer dig replacement with a possible pipe liner running each direction from the dig spot. Definitely consult with an excavation or contractor about possible repair estimates, as well as the different options that they can offer you as far as stabilizing the 2 crack sections and the 1 damaged section of sewer pipe currently. I'll continue pulling back.